Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Stranger here and welcome to another YouTube music production video. In today's video, I just want to send a word of encouragement out to anyone that's having a creative rut right now. And I would just want to let you guys know that you're not alone and that we've all been there. I've been there hundreds of times, and I know that when you're there, it might seem like you'll never get out of it, that you'll never make anything good again. But trust me, every time I've been there, I've always gotten through it. So you just gotta remind yourself that creativity comes in waves. We'll have times of high productivity, and then we'll have times of low productivity. But eventually that inspiration will come back. And sometimes maybe it means that we need to take a break from creating. Maybe spend time with family and friends, try other hobbies, or even be out in nature. Another way to look at it is that as a creative, life is about input and output. So input would be taking in new experiences, trying other things, eventually getting enough input that becomes inspiration to output and create. Another thing that's helped me is to try to detach yourself from your work. As artists, sometimes we identify very closely with what we make, and when we're not making anything, then we start to feel bad. So it's key to remember to really detach yourself and realize that you have value beyond creating work. So that was just a quick word of encouragement to anyone that is having that creative rut. Don't be down on yourself. That creativity will come back. Go out, enjoy life, take in new experiences, and eventually you'll start feeling inspiration to create again. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure you like and subscribe and share it with your friends. And until then, we'll see you at the next video.